All right, you ever come across one of these ice machines and say you're in a hospital, right? And you gotta, like, man, I got a plugged up drain line, right? This thing's completely restricted. And do I really want to carry my nitrogen bottle up here? No, I don't. It's a pain in the butt, especially if you got to haul it through a whole hospital or commercial building, whatever it may be. Simple task that I've actually learned real quick. Pop this off. Boom, right? Reach up here, break that free, right? Boom, boom. Put that down in here. Push it down in here, kind of create a good seal. And just blow on it. Clears that drain line right up. That way you're not having to carry a bunch of stuff. Easy hacks, easy stuff. Just thought I'd share.